Hi everyone, welcome to your practice. My name is Jess, and today's class we are going to chill out. If you like my practices, please share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below so we can get to know one another and grow our YouTube family. If you'd like to check out more of my offerings, my website is jrockyoga.com. I have a whole library of classes, meditations, and deeper programs so that you can advance your practice. And I'm on Instagram at jrockyoga. Come say hi. Let's get started. I'll see you on the other side. All right, let's get started in a comfortable, easy seat today. So come to a seat any way that feels good. If you have two blocks, it's great to have them near for a nice restorative practice, but if not, you can make do without them. And we're just gonna cozy up here. Bring your hands to your knees, and let's start by inhaling your heart forward. Grip onto your knees so you don't slingshot too far back. Really lifting your heart, shoulders down your back. And as you exhale, press the back of your heart towards the back of the room and hollow through your belly. Good. Inhale, lift through your heart. And exhale, round. Just warming up our spine a little. Inhale. And exhale. Good. This time, inhale all the way up. Reach your arms up above your head. And as you exhale, right arm down, left arm up and over your ear. Inhale, right back up to center. And exhale, left arm down, right arm up and over your ear. Really anchor your right sitting bone. Feels so good. Inhale, back up. And as you exhale, draw your hands down into heart center. Close your eyes down for a moment. Take a gentle tuck of your chin, bowing your brain to the wisdom of your heart. Welcome yourself to your practice today, body, mind, spirit, and welcome in an intention. Your intention is yours and yours alone, and if you find that nothing is coming to you today, perhaps you dedicate your practice to someone who needs your loving kindness, and maybe that person is you. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale it all out. Plant your hands down on the mat and come to all fours. We're gonna just drip our belly down toward the earth. Untuck your tailbone, scoop your heart forward. And as you exhale, press and round into your spine. Inhale, drip your belly. Exhale, press and round. One more time. Inhale, drip your belly. Exhale, press and round. From here, come back to a neutral spine, glide forward, and then lower all the way down to your belly, nice and chill. If you do have a block, you can place it on the lowest setting, almost like you're gonna use it as a pillow, because you are. If you don't have a block, no worries. And then extend your right arm straight out to the right, palm facing down. Roll onto your right shoulder and right hip, and step your left foot behind you. Your left hand can be right in front of your chest, and you can actually use your fingertips to deepen a little bit, but not too crazy. And just let your breath expand the muscles in your chest here. Let this be really chill. If you want, you can let your left knee drop open, back behind you. Beautiful. Come on back to center. We're just going to switch sides. So left arm goes out, palm faces down, left ear comes to the block or the floor, and roll onto the front of your left shoulder, right toes back behind you. Allowing your breath to open up the front of your shoulders. And really explore the depth and expansiveness that you can make through your breath. Through your lungs expanding and closing. Where can you make space? Beautiful. Roll all the way onto your belly. If you have the block, slide it a little in front of you and just place your forehead down on the block. If not, forehead comes to mat. And allow yourself a moment here to reset. Welcome your intention back into your practice. Get very close to your breath. Beautiful. Slide your block forward and come up onto your forearms for a Sphinx pose. Glide your right knee up to your right hip, lift your elbows, and then slide your left arm underneath you. Roll open onto your back so that you're in a nice twist. Let your right shoulder fall heavier and heavier, and let your belly get soft. We're not engaging, we're not trying to do too much. Just allow the softness, allow the gentle twist. Beautiful. Come on back over to your Sphinx, and we'll just switch sides. So right arm comes under, slide your left knee up, and then roll onto your back. Let this be a really lazy way of moving. So in a lot of our power classes or our flow classes, we're engaging, we're driving, we're forcing. And here we're allowing, we're flowing, we're letting go of all of the push. Just let the back of your heart drop. Slowly come on back onto your belly. Lift into a gentle cobra. And as you exhale, slide back into your child's pose. Forehead comes to floor. Just let yourself sink down. Heavy, heavy. Good. Inhale up to all fours. Take a moment, wiggle it out. And then we're going to pull our right knee up into our chest and just step your right foot to your right hand. Grab your block if you have it and keep it near. Tuck your back toes and start to straighten your front leg as you come into a skandasana at the back of your mat. So it might look more like this because we didn't do a lot of warming up, or you might be sitting all the way down. I'm going to have you take your block and put it on middle setting or high setting and just sit on your block. So this is I feel like this is so underrated, skandasana with a block. It just allows you to open up your entire spine, really draw your right heel towards your left heel, and feel that lengthening of your spinal column. Start to draw your left knee back and allow your weight to really sit on the block. Inhales, grow your spine longer. I really feel the block allows me to get deeper into my left hip because I'm not so rounded forward and I'm not so focused on sitting tall here. We can really work into our hips in a more passive way, truly. So just allow yourself a few breaths here. Keep growing your spine long. One more inhale. And then remove your block. And if it's available for you, sit down on the ground. Draw your left foot to the inside of your right thigh and reach your arms up over your head. As you exhale, heart goes up and over and you reach for your foot. Trusty block can come in handy again here, and maybe you place your forehead on your block, finding a little bit more of a restorative fold. And I love to share this little tidbit of information, but when our forehead is being pressurized, so when the block is putting pressure on the center of our forehead or maybe our thumbs or our fists, it allows our parasympathetic nervous system to turn on, our rest and digest. So this helps us get into a more relaxed state. Inhale halfway, move your block out of the way, and then replace your left foot in your skandasana. We'll rock forward, use the momentum, and then just come on back to the front of our mat. Maybe a little skandasana over here before we turn to the front and place both of our knees down. Inhale, drip your belly, lift your heart. Exhale, round. Beautiful. Come back to a neutral spine. And then we'll just pull our left knee in, step our left foot to the front of our mat. Start to pick up your back knee, keep your block near, straighten your left leg, and crawl around until you're in Skandasana on your right leg. I am going to turn to face you so you can see what I'm doing and we can be together. But your right knee will be bent, and then you will take your block, highest or middle setting, maybe low, and sit on your block. Allow this to elongate your spine, and then start to drag your left heel towards your right heel. So find some tension in your hamstrings, in your hips. Beautiful. And then sink your weight into your sitting bones as you grow your spine nice and long. And now, can you come a little bit deeper into your breath? If there are any areas of your body that are feeling tight or a sensation of like stretching, think of that as your body's way of opening. I feel like that really shifted my perspective. As long as it's not pain, of course, we want to move away from that. But if it's just that uncomfortable sensation that we want to like boop and like touch it and get away from, like you touch the stove and you're like, oh, I'd rather not. Think about that sensation as an opening, and that's almost like the barrier to cross to feel comfortable in this place. Our body opens for us at its own pace, not when we want it to. Let's take one more inhale. And then exhale, lift. Remove your block and sit all the way onto your bum. Draw your right foot into your left inner thigh. And inhale to reach your arms up. Lead with your heart and fold. Grab your block if you have it and place your forehead on your block. If your mind wanders somewhere, come back to the sound of your breath. Slow it down. Inhale halfway, remove your block. And as you exhale, just come to a seat anyway on your mat. I'm gonna face y'all. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Grab your outer feet and inhale, lift, finding a little butterfly or a Baddha Konasana pose. And as you exhale, lead with your heart, keep your spine long, and fold until you can't fold anymore without your sitting bones lifting up. When you get to that place, bow and round your spine. If you want this to be a little bit more active, you can press your feet into one another and imagine the backs of your thighs pulling down toward the earth. That will open your inner thighs a little more. Inhale halfway. And exhale, come on back up. We'll take one final pose. Both of your legs go out long. Remove the flesh from beneath your sitting bones and shake your legs a little bit. Give them a little shake like you're kind of running in place. Like maybe you can shake your arms a little bit, shake your hands, shake off the day, shake your head, yes and no. Shake, 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 shake. Beautiful. Then inhale, arms go up. Exhale, reach it forward. And your feet can be a little bit wide. If you want, you can place your trusty block in between your feet and forehead goes down. This practice is really winding us down. Forward folds are great before sleep or to relax your body. They allow us to go inward, almost like a seed that's been planted. Good. Inhale halfway. Exhale, come all the way up. And just make your way all the way down to your back. And allow yourself to be cozy here. Start to open your arms nice and wide. Start to open your legs nice and wide. Toes flip out to either side. Let the back of your head get heavy, heavy on the ground. And allow yourself this moment before we drop into our Shavasana to thank yourself, body, mind, and spirit, for showing up today, for taking a little bit of time for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shavasana, take rest. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me. I hope you're feeling nice and relaxed and you can go about your day or your evening feeling at peace. If you do enjoy my classes, please subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend, leave me a comment below. And if you'd like to learn more from me, my website is jrockyoga.com for more retreats, a whole library of classes and programs to deepen your practice. And you can find me on Instagram at jrockyoga. Have a beautiful day.